Okay, this is how to take out the X clamp. Okay, thanks. Take a flat-headed little screwdriver, really small, like 1.8 times 20 millimeter. Okay? Now you're gonna put this in between these bolts. Now these things right here, these washers I have underneath them, this was one thing I was trying to fix my Xbox 360. And you have to put washers underneath them, but it didn't work. So, you know. So, okay. Here's how to remove the X clamps. Take a screwdriver, little screwdriver, and there will be these bolts right here. If you see these bolts, you put the screwdriver between these bolts and the top. Sorry, my video might be a little bad because it's so close. And the top of this, and kind of use it as like a leverage the bolt, and keep on yanking on that side. Can you hold that down?
Alright.
So I can yank it out. Thanks. Keep on doing that. Here, I'll put the camera down, actually, there's nowhere to put the camera down. Anyways, you're gonna... Crap. Keep on using the bolt as leverage. And then you do the other side. Crap. Be careful not to scratch the motherboard. But I don't really care since it's not working for me. So I'll be a little more careful than I am. Keep on doing it until it pops off. Maybe at a certain point you can pull it off, one of them, and then keep on doing it for all of these. You don't have to hold on to it. Oh crap. Wait 1 second. Now, be patient, or don't be patient, I don't really care. I use like 2 things off the internet to help fix my 360, but it didn't work, so I don't care. 360 is broken, it seems to be broken. I don't know, there's people that can fix it, but I can't. Okay, well, you gotta work on different ones, like work on this one. What'd they do? Well, anyways, that's how to remove the X clamp. As you can see, I did it right here. So just do that over and over until it comes off. And that's how to remove an X clamp on the Xbox 360 motherboard. Thank you for watching.